Your teacher is going to give you a reading card with the sounds that you've learned. You are going to listen and circle each sound. Are you ready? Look at the sound, listen to the sound, and circle it on your own page. Ah, do you see the ah? Circle him. D, search for the D and circle. V, got it? Circle it. Oh, did you find it? N, great stuff. E, find and circle. E, could you find it? Did you find that one? Well done. B, look at the direction of his tummy. W, watch carefully. R, fantastic. M, good job. Your teacher is going to pause the video now. Point to each and every sound on your sound card. Say the sound aloud and make sure it is correct. Your teacher will help you. When we write or read, we always write or read from the top to the bottom. There are certain sounds that are written only in one row. You know them by now. Let's think a little bit. The A sound, O, and E sound. Some sounds are tall sounds. They beep with their heads above the line. And some of the sounds are tail sounds. The tail of the sound hangs beneath the line. Let's look at a couple of these sounds. They are all called consonants. It is a big word. Repeat after me. Consonants. H, a tall sound. P, a tail sound. K, another tall sound. J, a tail sound. L, a long sound. Let's play a game. You will receive a letter card or a sound card just like this. And now it is your turn to look, listen, and point to each sound. Point with your finger to the sound. H. Could you find it? P. Please be careful. K. The king of the sounds. J. It is a jolly sound. L. Another long sound. Put on your laughing shoes and have a nice voice to sing for a bit of fun. Let's laugh straight from our tummies.
He he. Ho ho. Papa. Pe pe. Pee pee. Po po. Ke ke. Kiki. Go go. Cuckoo.
Time to use your voice for a little bit of singing. Take the center stage and sing.
Cha cha. Che che. Jo jo. Je je. La la. Le le. Le le. Le le. That was so much fun.
Time to introduce you to the reading L. Your reading L will have a place that you can hold on to. Move it with that little pom-pom. Look at the first word, hop. We are going to put the reading L underneath the word. Make sure that you also see the tail of each sound. Look at the word, sound it out, h, o, p, and say the word. Move your reading L to the next word by holding onto the pom-pom. You won't be able to see the first word very clear. The reading L help our eyes to move forward instead of jumping back. Pop. Let's go and exercise some more words. Look at Kitty Cat. He explains to us which sounds are tall sounds and which sounds are tail sounds. Take your reading L and sound out the first word. H, a, l, l, hall. Move your reading L to the next word. H, o, p, hop. Move it. H, e, l, l, hill. Next row, we always read from the top to the bottom and from the left to the right. I will sound out and you are going to read the word. P, E, P, O, P. P, E, L, L. Use your reading L. It is your time to sound out the letters, and then I will tell you what the word sounds like with all the sounds put together. Kill, kelp, kilo. Can you sound out and read the words? Practice makes perfect. Look at the sounds with your eyes. Say it aloud. Listen with your ears and put it together in your brain. Sound out and read. Use your reading L to repeat the sounds. H, P, K, J, L. Now on your own. Well done. You are doing very good. Your teacher will give you a reading card with words just like this. And you are going to exercise by sounding out and reading the words. Let's exercise some more word reading. Your teacher is going to give you 3 column sounds just like this, and you are going to build your own words. It will be easy. I'll explain in detail. As I said, you are going to receive 3 columns with sounds. Use your reading L to read the words. Sound out and read. L, E, P, lip. Move your reading L. H, O, P, hop. J, E, L, gel. Move your left and your right columns. Now you can read new words. Take your reading L, sound out and read. H, E, P, hip. Sometimes it might form nonsense words. No worries, it is for you to exercise sounding out your letters to form a brand new word. Time to read sentences. It will be fun. Can you see all sentences always starts with a capital letter and end with a full stop? And in between there's some space to move your reading L. It is the hall. Rabbits hop. It is a hill. I'm impressed. You are doing very well. That is a pip. It makes pop. She drinks a pill. Lions kill. That is sea kelp. He takes 1 kilo. He is a duke. This is gel. That is a jail. This is my lip. He runs 1 lap. I lie on my bed. You are doing so well. I think it is time to give you your first reading book. What do you think? Your reading book will look like this. The front page has a picture and you can read, I can read. Turn the page. Inside you will find exciting things. Sounds, words and even sentences, because you are a very good reader and becoming better by the day. Enjoy your first reading book.